Welcome back to Safety Zone, where today we are going to be doing a new system test with the DSC PC5020. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is just to show you what I have going on here. So here is my DSC PC5020 keypad, the LCD 5500. This is an alphanumeric keypad, as you can see, and it says the correct date and time on here. So now, up here, we have the system sensor i3, 4-wire smoke detector. I do have a 2151, it's just I can't use it since I can't use 2-wire smoke detectors yet, but I do plan on getting a 4-wire base for the 2151, so I can use that as 4-wire as well. So then we have the same pole station here, same pole station there, and this call point is actually never going to change because this is such a unique back box that there's no way I can put like a different pole station on here or something. So this pole station spot, or I guess call point spot, will never change. And you might be wondering why this is here. It's because I'm using the single gang back box for an alarm that only works on single gang. So I'm using this I'm basically using it as a terminal block. Then for the alarm, you may have seen in the thumbnail, we have an ESC Genesis chime strobe. You might be wondering why there's no cover on it, and that's because the cover broke. And as you can see, there's no clips up there. Those also broke off too. So hopefully I can find a replacement cover for it. But for now, it'll work like this. I need to make sure I keep my hands far away from that capacitor. So now we're going to pull the NBG, or not the NBG10L, or the SIGA 270. And this one doesn't glitch out like the Commander 3 did. It works perfectly. And I have different user codes on here too. I have Okay, so I silenced it using the master user code, and now I'm going to reset the NBG10L. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, obviously, because it has a screw with a spring. And now it's back to normal. Then we can go to our alarm history. I made a function key for that actually. So as you can see, this was the EST SIGA 270. I actually have that labeled as that in the system. And now we can test the i3 with the flathead screwdriver. So now we're gonna press the test button. And now the alarm is going off. And now we can reset the detector. Detector is reset. Something just happened to the alarm. Don't know why it did that. And now we're gonna hit enter our user 1 code. Then user 2 is all zeros as well. So we can close that. And now we can activate the BG12. Now we're gonna silence it. using 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now we're going to test the call point using the key, since I don't want to put my camera down or my phone down, since that's my camera, while trying to reset it. I'm gonna just randomly use my... There we go. So this is a pretty short system test actually, and so I'm going to actually show you a few of the functions on here. So you already saw that I programmed this. So we have the Sega 270, the call point, BG12, and the system sensor i3. Just as system sensor because system sensor i3 doesn't fit on here. Then we hit pound or number symbol to exit. And now we're back to here. And now this will show us our troubles. So if we press and hold the exit button, or not, it's not programmed, it's exit. View trouble service request. So what that is that means there is no batteries on the system. As you can see, if we open it, if I can get the right key out, that would be really helpful. There is no battery in here. There's a lot of wiring, and there used to be a transformer there. This is obviously my MS2's cabinet. Technically it's an SP2402, but still technically an MS2. And now we're going to show you how to arm it. I probably already showed you how to do this, but I'll do it again. You can use any user code to do it. So I'm gonna use my second one, my user code 002. I have user code 02, user code 01, and obviously a master user code, which is present on every single security panel. So, and now we wait for it to be armed. While we are waiting for it to be armed, this is just an alarm I want to show you. So this alarm I was originally going to put up is an ESC Genesis horn strobe with a fixed 60 candela strobe. That's a problem because this ESC Genesis would draw too much power from the panel, so I cannot use it. However, since you probably want to see it go off, I will plug it in right now. So I will pause the video, plug it in the connector, and we'll... Okay, so here we go. There we go. So now this is basically this is a 12 volt transformer. The reason, even though they're both 12 volts and this one works but the other panel doesn't, is because this supports way more amps. The PGM2 on the panel only supports 300 milliamps. This supports 2,500 milliamps. So obviously this one's way better. Okay guys, so sorry I'm recording this video so late, as you can see by the time and date. The reason I'm recording this video so late is because I was actually interrupted earlier on in the video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, it did arm. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it. That would be greatly appreciated. And if this is the first video you've seen that I've done, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. Anyway guys, see you next time. Goodbye.